Ever wondered what real estate agents actually do all day? The reality might surprise you. It's not all glamorous home tours and commission checks. Let's peek behind the curtain of this demanding profession. Alarm rings. Time to start the day before most people are awake. 6 a.m. Morning coffee while reviewing the day's schedule and market updates. Client communications. Responding to overnight inquiries from eager buyers and anxious sellers by 7:30 a.m. Urgent matters. Addressing time-sensitive texts about pending offers or inspection results. New leads. Reviewing and categorizing overnight lead notifications from websites and referrals. Assessment. Review daily planner and digital calendar to get a bird's-eye view of the day. Organization. Sort tasks by urgency and potential impact on business growth. Planning. Create time blocks for focused work on high-priority activities. Cold calling. Reaching out to expired listings and FSBOs to generate new opportunities. Networking. Connecting with past clients and professional contacts for referrals. Social media. Engaging with followers and responding to inquiries on multiple platforms. Email campaigns. Sending targeted newsletters to specific client segments. Daily MLS analysis. Tracking new listings, 85 in May alone, to stay ahead of market trends and identify opportunities for clients. Price monitoring. Following average home prices as they rise from $425,000 to $475,000 over the first half of the year. Comparative market analysis. Evaluating the 73 sales in May against the 65 in April to spot emerging neighborhood trends. Property preparation. Arranging cleaners, stagers, and photographers for new listings. Inspection logistics. Coordinating home inspectors, appraisers, and repair contractors. Showing appointments. Organizing viewings around seller availability and buyer schedules. Partner coordination. Aligning with lenders, title companies, and attorneys for closings. The paperwork never ends. Agents spend hours drafting contracts, reviewing disclosures, and ensuring every document is complete and accurate. Content creation. Capturing engaging photos and videos of properties for multi-platform sharing. Platform management. Posting to Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn with strategic timing and hashtags. Email marketing. Crafting targeted newsletters with market updates and featured properties. Seller updates. Providing feedback from recent showings and adjusting marketing strategies. Buyer check-ins. Discussing new listings that match search criteria and scheduling viewings. Transaction management. Updating clients on escrow progress and addressing contingency removals. Education. Explaining market conditions and answering process questions from first-timers. Property access. Arriving early to turn on lights and prepare the space. Guided tour. Highlighting unique features while addressing potential concerns. Feedback collection. Noting client reactions and questions for follow-up. Staging coordination. Working with professional stagers to transform empty spaces into inviting homes. Furniture selection and placement. Accent piece coordination. Depersonalizing spaces. Photography direction. Ensuring photographers capture the best angles and features of each property. Lighting optimization. Shot list preparation. Virtual tour coordination. Minutes. Average time agents spend on actual lunch breaks. In car. Percentage of agents who eat lunch while driving between appointments. Networking. Weekly lunch meetings with clients, partners, or colleagues. Contract acceptance. Initial agreement between buyer and seller. Due diligence. Property investigation and disclosure review. Contingency removal. Inspection, appraisal, and loan conditions cleared. Final signatures. Closing documents signed and delivered. Property preparation. Setting up directional signs, flyers, and refreshments before visitors arrive. Visitor engagement. Greeting potential buyers, answering questions, and highlighting property features. Lead collection. Gathering contact information and qualifying visitors' interests and timeframes. Same-day follow-up. Sending thank you emails with additional information to interested parties. Offer price. $750,000. Below asking by $25,000. Earnest money. $15,000. 2% of offer price. Contingencies. Inspection, financing. Standard periods. Closing timeline. 30 days. Seller prefers 45 days. Included items. All appliances. Seller wants to exclude refrigerator. Transaction completion. Successfully closing the deal and handing over keys. Client appreciation. Sending personalized closing gifts and thank you notes. Follow-up schedule. Planning regular check-ins at 1, 3, and 6-month intervals. Referral requests. Asking satisfied clients to share their positive experience. Email management. 95 minutes daily. CRM updates. 45 minutes daily. Transaction documentation. 75 minutes daily. Expense tracking. 25 minutes daily. Lead follow-up. 60 minutes daily. Review completed tasks. Assess which priority items were accomplished and which need to be carried forward. Address new developments. Adapt the schedule to accommodate unexpected client needs or transaction issues. Reprioritize remaining work. Determine what must be completed today versus what can wait until tomorrow. Plan evening activities. Schedule any necessary after-hours calls, showings, or preparation for tomorrow. Mind-body balance. Quick yoga or meditation breaks help agents reset mentally between demanding tasks. Physical activity. Exercise routines provide stress relief and energy boosts during long workdays. Family time. Quality moments with loved ones keep agents grounded despite irregular schedules. After-hours showings and meetings are standard. Clients often can't view properties until after their workday ends. Financing falls through. Scrambling to find alternative lenders when a pre-approved buyer's loan is suddenly denied days before closing. Inspection surprises. Managing seller panic and buyer concerns when a major issue is discovered during final walkthrough. Title problems. Working with title companies to resolve unexpected liens or encumbrances threatening to derail closings. Client crises. Supporting clients through personal emergencies that impact transaction timelines and decisions. Review accomplishments. Celebrate wins and completed tasks from the day. Document follow-ups. Note outstanding items requiring attention tomorrow. Schedule tomorrow. Plan the next day's appointments and time blocks. Improvement ideas. Note strategies that worked well or need adjustment. The Dream Deliverer. Helping first-time buyers find their perfect home after 37 showings and 8 rejected offers. The Deal Saver. Rescuing a transaction at the 11th hour when the appraisal came in $50,000 below contract price. The Persistence Payoff. Finally selling a challenging property after 9 months, 24 showings, and 3 failed contracts. Success. Financial rewards and career satisfaction that come after persistent effort and dedication. Relationships. Network building and client trust form the foundation of a sustainable real estate career. Time management. Balancing priorities and deadlines requires sophisticated organizational systems. Daily hustle. Consistent prospecting and follow-through create the pipeline that fuels long-term success.